In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check domain authority in Semrush. First, let's quickly set the stage. In the SEO world, people often say domain authority as a shorthand for how strong a website is. Technically, domain authority is a metric created by Moz. In Semrush, the comparable metric is called authority score. It serves the same purpose, helping you gauge the overall strength and trustworthiness of a domain. So that's what we'll be checking today. Start by opening Semrush and heading to the Domain Overview tool. From the main navigation, go to the SEO section, then choose Domain Overview. This area gives you a high-level snapshot of any website's visibility and authority across search, and it's the fastest way to find Semrush's authority score. Next, enter the website you want to analyze. Type the domain, for example example.com, into the search field. You don't need to include HTTP or HTTPS, just the root domain is perfect. Then, click search. Using the root domain ensures you're looking at the broadest picture of the site's authority, rather than just a subdomain or a single page. Once the overview loads, look near the top portion of the page for authority score. You'll see a single number on a scale from 0 to 100. That is Semrush's version of domain authority. Think of it as a composite score that reflects multiple signals like backlink quality and quantity, organic visibility, and indicators of site trust. It's designed to be a quick, comparable snapshot, not a replacement for deeper analysis. Now, let's interpret what you see. A higher authority score indicates a stronger, more trusted domain with a more robust backlink profile and overall presence. A lower score points to a weaker domain that may have fewer quality links, less visibility, or is still new and growing. Remember, this is a relative metric. It's most useful when you compare it across websites in the same niche or track how a single site's score changes over time. Small fluctuations are normal. Steady improvement usually reflects consistent growth in quality links and content. One important note before we wrap up: domain authority is specifically a Moz metric. Semrush uses authority score instead. They measure similar concepts, but they're calculated differently and are not interchangeable. Also, neither metric comes from Google, so treat them as third-party indicators that help you prioritize and benchmark, not as direct ranking factors. And that's it. By using Domain Overview, entering a domain, and finding the authority score, you can quickly understand a site's overall strength in Semrush. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing!